You guys loved my video about expenses living in New York City. So here's everything about the admission process of how to get into universities in New York City, aka what I did to get into NYU. I know you might be feeling lost, so चलो शुरू से शुरू करते हैं. What is the admission process in the US? By the way, I paid literally 2 lakhs to get this information through counseling. I genuinely want you guys to make it to the US, so I'm giving it for free. There are only 4 steps that you need to consider. Step 1, SAT or ACT. So they both are English plus Math entrance test, and the registration fees is 11,000 rupees. Take them early, around mid 11th grade. So personally, I took the SAT and I scored 1420 out of 1600 after 2 attempts. And for some context here, a good SAT score is around 1510 out of 1600 or above. That's why I didn't report my test results. And this option is still available for the next group. Step 2, the TOEFL exam. Consider it as a simpler mandatory version of the SAT reading section. Cost around 16,000 rupees, but you can take it any time before applying. Step 3, grades. Okay, so while applying, your 9th to 12th mark sheet is going to be uploaded on the application portal. I was a CBSE student and I scored above 95% in all the 4 grades. Step 4, applications. My number one tip would be make your college list. For example, I was looking for business schools, so I literally just searched up on Google top 30 business schools in the US and applied in all of them. Each one needs 4 things. Extracurricular activities from 9 to 12, your personal essay, your college specific essays, and also recommendation letters. Search up commonapp.org on Google, and that's your platform where you're gonna be applying to these universities. Each application costs around 7,000 rupees. Now for the bonus tip. I do understand this information could be very overwhelming, so I have been helping all of my followers reading their extracurriculars, reading their college essays, as well as leaving comments on them, really explaining everything in voice notes. If you guys have specific questions, please take advantage of me. Also for part 2, I will be reading my actual NYU essay that got me into NYU. So drop your questions in the comment section or my DM. And honestly, even if you don't have any questions, just make sure to leave a comment that you're interested in this, and I will personally make sure that I cover everything that's necessary for you to come here. I love you and I know you will make it very, very soon. So see you in part 2, where I'll be reading my actual essays so that you know what to write and how to write in your essays.